Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download HealthEquity tax forms for HSA reporting, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the HealthEquity website URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the login button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to access your account. Enter your username and password in the respective fields. If you've forgotten your login details, follow the prompts to recover your account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Accounts or Statements section, typically visible on the left side of the page. Click on the Accounts or Statements link to access your account information. Find the HSA, Health Savings Account, option within this section. Select the HSA option to proceed to your tax form details. You should now see various options related to your HSA account. Look for a link or button that says Tax Documents or Tax Forms. Click on the Tax Documents link to view available tax forms. Locate the specific tax year for which you need the forms. Once you find the correct year, click on it to open the tax forms available for download. You might see forms such as the 1099 SA or 5498 SA relevant to your HSA. Select the desired form by clicking the download icon or link next to it. The form will usually download as a PDF file. If prompted, choose where to save the file on your device. Once the file is downloaded, navigate to the location where you saved it. Open the PDF to review your tax form for accuracy. If you need additional forms, repeat the process as necessary. Ensure to save or print the forms for your records. After confirming you've downloaded all required documents, log out of your HealthEquity account. Close your web browser for added security. And that's how you download HealthEquity tax forms for HSA reporting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.